So how to get, use and generate unlimited videos with VEO3 for completely free? Well, as a subscriber of my channel or as my fan, I'm treating you with how to get VEO3 for completely free. So the credit of this method goes to my co-founder Yashraj Singh. Guy has been working really hard on finding a way to get VO3 for free. Because if I were to pay for this, I would pay almost $100 from my pocket, which is something I wouldn't like for mid quality videos. But he found a way how to make VO3 videos for completely free. Here are a few outputs that you can see in front of my screen, like these ASMR orange videos, and I mean all the fruit videos that you are seeing online. I was trying to build that. Okay. Plus, I was trying to. So this is for strawberry. Pretty cool. Okay, kind of like it. Never mind. Then we have, we got a few more stuff. So this is banana. I don't know how it's gonna work, but yeah, whatever. Okay. Yeah, whatever. So, and then I tried making female Hindi ASMR videos for the Hodni males of India. Oh, fuck, I shouldn't be saying that. Whatever, but here's the output. It makes me kind of cringe, but I think this content might work.
गुड मॉर्निंग जान, रात भर तुम्हारे सपने देखे, तुम्हारी आवाज़ मिस कर रही थी, कितना प्यारा लगता है.
Okay, yeah, okay. The stress is over. So I generated a bunch of these videos.
आज हमारा डे.
Okay, no, never mind. We are not looking at those. We are not looking at those. But I'm just telling you, this is now what I'm planning to do is I'm just gonna post these on Instagram and YouTube, and I'm just gonna blow off as someone that makes AI generated Hindi ASMR content. Now you guys are not allowed to copy me. You're not gonna copy me, okay? You're gonna do something else. Please don't copy me on this. But okay, now the real juice. After making, I don't know, 30, 40, 50, 60, 100 videos, I'll tell you. Wait, let me hear out this one.
Good morning, baby.
Oh, okay, no, never mind. Yeah, we are not gonna listen to any of this. This is some it's some degen shit, and we don't like it. We are men. We are pretty cool, by the way. This one's super cool. This one's super cool. Now the biggest problem with VO3 is its prompts, and well, I'm good enough or I'm generous enough to give you the prompts as well. So complete guide on how to get VO3 for free. Now this is exploit, which means that I don't know how long this would be valid, but as long as it is valid, let's just milk it out like crazy. I mean, I'm gonna milk it out so bad it starts bleeding for Google. So, but yeah. Anyways, not the best way to go around, but let me just show you how it's done. First things first is you would need to open. Let me just open a new profile so we can start it out afresh. So you can't accuse me of doing some cheating. Let me just open this account. Let's just say okay. Let's go for let me check if I have a Google Gmail account attached. No, I don't have a Gmail account on this. Okay, that's bad. Let's just go in on this account. Wait. So if I search for Gmail, I'll quickly sign up with one of my accounts if required. Okay. So Gmail is not logged in. So we're going to start from, okay, no, we have Gmail in this. Perfect. So this is the Gmail account that I have. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to, first things first is we need a VPN, because this service was just stopped in India because we are Indians. So what we are going to do instead is we are going to look for, search for Urban VPN extension, which is a free extension, free VPN extension that we need to download. So quickly go and download the Urban VPN proxy. I'll add the extension. Close this off. And there would be an option. So click on Urban VPN proxy in your extensions list, and then agree to the terms. Then click on United States. Once you click here, it's going to be connected. Once it's connected, you go to Google Skillshare. So Google Skill, I think no, it's Google Skill Boost. My bad. Google Skill Boost. Click on the first link that you see. Scroll down. Click on Explore. Scroll down and you will find a tour of, so all, like through all of these courses you have to click on this one, a tour of Google Cloud Sustainability. Once you click here, click on sign in or join. Click on sign in with Google. Use the account that you are given with, or use the account that you want to use. Click on continue. And then just quickly fill out these informations, like, so I was born in 1999. Makes chill, don't worry about me, I'm a robot. Thank God. It allowed me to prove my sanity. Click on accept. Now here, click on start lab. Close this off. Click on I'm not a robot, because you're not, obviously. Let me just find all these cars for you. So yeah, we got a few cars here, and yeah. Okay, there are no cars. I don't know if this account is a car. Okay, I'll just say it's a car, whatever. Probably because there was a car behind that barrier. But yeah, okay, perfect. It was a car. Oh, perfect. Anyways, and then there would be an option which says Open Google Cloud Console. Click on this, and click on Open Link in incognito mode. Once you do that, you are in. Congratulations, you've just opened Google VEO3 account for completely free, and just start pumping out videos like crazy. I don't care. Like, this is a generational opportunity. This is a hole in the matrix, which means that we have to make the best use of it. I'm gonna start a lot of Instagram accounts. I don't care, because I'm the fastest and I'm the best. So I'm gonna start a lot of Instagram accounts, ASMR, like, females, like breathing onto cameras, breathing onto mics. I don't care. I'm gonna start a lot of Instagram accounts and make a lot of money. So don't worry about it. But yeah, for you guys who are who just want to try it out, just go to, so towards the left side you'll see this column, this whole bracket, and then in here you search for Vertex AI, and then click on Media Studio and right click, open it into new tab, and I'm gonna open 20 of this just because it's unlimited. I can, like, technically I can make a 40 videos and no one can stop me. I'll just okay, just for the sake of the video I'll control myself and control my urge to dominate the world, but whatever. Click on VEO3. Click on agree and continue, and as you could see, VEO3 preview. Click here, and then we'll start using VEO3. So this is a universal prompt which I'll drop in the description so you guys can use it, but let's just use a universal prompt. Okay, I'll click on Control C, start a new chat with Claude, give it the universal prompt, paste of the prompt, I want a female Indian Hindi ASMR video. Hindi should be written in English script. It should be active. 7 scenes, 8 sex each. Let's see. Again, I mean, I have no ill intentions here. I'm just trying out stuff. No ill intentions intended. Also, we'll do a viral Yeti vlog 5 scene, but in Hindi this time. Okay. So after this, we'll do that. But again, now what I'll do is I'll grab the whole prompt, go in here, paste it here, click on enter, go back, scroll down. You gotta be fast, you gotta be industrious, you gotta be fast, because success loves speed. And yeah, click on VEO, click on VEO, click on VEO, click on VEO. I'm just pre-firing, it's even before the thing loads, I'm already agree to continue, paste it out. So yeah, and this only stays up for 1 hour. So if you want your creations to be available after 1 hour, please download, please, because I've done this. Like, I made 100 videos and then I forgot to save them. So yeah, that's bad of me, but yeah, whatever. I'm just letting you guys know so that you don't waste your time and just start working out. So we have this. Has told this, and my co-founder Yash, he found he's been looking for this like for a month. So like looking to master 3, and then we found this. I mean, like power of the whole world. I can make Mirzapur season 4. I don't know. I mean, and like I can at this point I can make Star Wars. I can make Star Wars season. I don't know, Star Wars, the Rise of the Sith, whatever. So like that's the potential right here, and it's for free. You don't even have to think twice. It's like, okay, you know what? Start pounding videos. As simple as that. It's super insane. It's crazy. I mean, it's super cool for storytelling as well. So I think I'll check the first prompt. As you could see, it's already working. Until then, I'll show you my prior creation so that you get an idea. I mean, you guys did see the prior creations, which is a bunch of ASMR stuff. But yeah, whatever. If I got a weird feeling that the ASMR content might work out. Again, I mean, I don't know, but yeah.
आज हम
Okay, you know what? I don't know. I personally don't want to listen to it, but I want other people to consume this content just because I know how people. I'm just gonna some pause button because I saw the outputs. Like, I've made like 100, 200 videos like this from VEO, and I'm not stopping. Like, here's another computer right below this camera, and I'm generating like 20, 30 videos on bulk right there.
horror movie.
Okay, yeah, no, I mean that's not ASMR, of course, and that sounds annoying.
Good morning.
Okay, no, weird. Maybe we can do the horror stuff. Like, we can. I can also have some.
तुम्हारे
Okay, yeah, perfect. No, never mind. Yeah, I'll just close some of these tabs off, and we'll just do some new creations just so that you guys can, validate the whole thing in general. But yeah. Okay. This was some rain shit, but whatever.
तुम्हें पता है तुम्हारे बिना
Oh, anyways, I think it's just too the quality of content is just too below my standard. I don't know why. Okay, this one is overhead hand shots of.
ये तेल बहुत अच्छा है.
Okay, my bad. Yeah, I'm just. Anyways, let's just do the Yeti wala thing. Let's just make some Yeti videos. I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, I mean, create Yeti videos, create elephant videos, create Gaju Bhai, whatever you want. The world is yours. All you gotta do is just conquer it. So, I mean, I'm not gonna sleep today. I think it's 7:20 in the morning, and I think I'm pretty good. I mean, I had my 2 coffees, but it doesn't really matter. Gotta keep working, gotta keep grinding, and yeah. Oh, this looks good. You know what? Never mind. So I've actually got my prior. I'll just open this one. So the first prompt I gave to this particular chat was Lion and Andrew Tate podcast, some shit like that, and I was just trying out stuff. So probably paste it here. Let's see how it is. Viral Yeti vlog 5 scenes, but in Hindi this time. Let's see how it is. So it's gonna actually search on Google and find like the viral Yeti wala, like the viral Yeti thing, and then it's gonna give it to me. But yeah, Himalayan style. Okay. Okay, I'll quickly just copy this, paste it here. I think I'll do multiple variations of the same prompt just to see how it works out. And then yeah, I mean, it's unlimited possibilities at this point. I'm just showing you the prompts and how to use these prompts and stuff. I mean, in the end, you can figure out a lot of stuff on your own as you use it. But yeah, what I found out is that if you give a bad prompt to VO, it's not gonna work. Like the outputs are a bit shit. So yeah, whatever. I'll say wait. I'll also say street interviewer at night, Indian streets outside club asking female strangers question in Hindi. Some stuff like that. Okay, so let me see in here. So we got this, then we got this in trying to get internet single signal drama. Wait, yeah, okay, perfect. Okay. Paste it here. I think, I mean, if this can get me the character consistency, I swear to God, the film industry is dead. Like it's dead. Like the film industry is done for, because the films are bad. Let me just use my creativity and make my own film instead of relying on the producers to good, like, make something good, which they can but they won't. That's the issue. Okay, so it's taking a bit longer. I mean, it takes a minute or two, so don't worry about it. It takes its time, because again, it's free. You can't complain. Like, you would be paying like $3 per video if we didn't had this. So yeah, whatever. Now I don't know how long this would be valid, just because I think Google might already have like a lot of issues with, like, a lot of people using this for free. But like, this is not, I don't know if anyone has explicitly came on YouTube and said, hey, this is how you do it. But I just gave out to you the whole formula. Doesn't really matter. Go to VEO. Go to VEO. Just be clicking, because I know where the thing is. So yeah, whatever. Okay, so the video output kind of failed, but let's just do it again. So after waiting for a while, this is what we got. Let's see how it is.
नमस्ते मेरे YouTube फैमिली, मैं हूं येटी भाई और आज मैं दिखाऊंगा कि हिमालयास में मॉर्निंग रूटीन कैसी होती है। पहले देखो।
Okay, looks good.
नमस्ते मेरे YouTube फैमिली, मैं हूं येटी भाई और आज मैं दिखाऊंगा कि हिमालयास में मॉर्निंग रूटीन कैसी होती है।
Nice. So I mean again, the output is not the fastest, but it's decent. All in all, this is how we generate videos with VEO3. I am gonna generate videos in bulk, 200, 300 videos. I mean, I don't care. I'll just tear it through. Like, I'll just rip it, like, demolish. Like, it's gonna be complete demolition. And I think, again, Google might end up crying a bit, but I don't care. Like, I'm just gonna make sure I get the most juice out of this. Like, I get the most juice out of the situation. I think I'll get my other laptop as well. So I'll have 3 laptops that are simultaneously pumping out videos, because I don't care. I just need the videos. As simple as that. Anyways, I hope this was helpful. Do let me know if you found this helpful, because obviously I think you did. And thanks for watching for this long. If you have made it this far of the video, do subscribe and like the video, because I would like that. And apart from that, I do have a course on how to start a automation agency, scale it to $10,000 and above. If you want to know that as well, I would like, you could just ping me on WhatsApp. And if you have any business inquiries, either ping me on WhatsApp or book a consultation call, and I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Cheers. Jai Hind. Cheers.